Hello and welcome to our second video of this series. Today we will speak about variables and data types. What is a variable? A variable is a reserved memory location to store values. It has a name, a data type, and a value. Data types in Python are what the word says, types of data. They can be text, strings, they can be numeric, like integers, float, complex, they can be boolean values like bool, they can be sequences like lists, tuples, dictionaries, and some others. In Python you don't have to declare the data type of a variable in the start of your program. You can just initiate the variable with a value. For example, I can write a equals 42, and this immediately creates a variable with the name a, the value 42, which is obviously an integer. The data type is an integer. If now I write print a, this will print 42. So what I did was I created a value called 42 and I gave the name a to this value. In order to see which type this variable is, Python allows us to use the function called type, and this prints what kind of variable it is, what is the data type of the variable. This obviously was an integer. I can redeclare variables in Python. I can, for example, now after a equals 42 write a equals 13. Now what I did was I didn't change the data type, I just gave a new value to my variable. I can even change data types just by giving a new value to my variable name. So I can write a equals Yorgos and now print a, and this prints Yorgos. Now the new variable, the new data type of the variable is a string. If I write type a, you can see that on our screen is printed the data type, which is string. There are some rules when I'm declaring a variable in Python. The variable has always to start with a letter or an underscore character. Underscore is this character. It can never start with any other character. The name of the variable can consist of letters, numbers, and underscores. If I try to use any other character, like for example a star, I have a syntax error. If I try to start the variable name with a number, again I will have a syntax error. So that's it for today. We covered variables. Next time we will move on to operators, arithmetical operators. Until next time, see you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe.